Direct function. The direct function allows to connect an output to an input as if there were a physical input. This function is point type or output equal input. As long as the input is enabled, the output is enabled too. Example: to turn a heating plant on, the relay that is connected to the boiler needs to be enabled from the condition of the input, which in this case is represented with the heating of the time thermostat, that is identified with the DFCT or a DF8 read device. The procedure is this. Once the relay has been selected according to the request, you need to press the corresponding settings icon from the equation screen. In the following screen, you will choose output equal input. From the input points list that will appear, you will choose the input that you need, in this case, heating. By pressing the pointer in the right part of the line, the type of action will appear. You will choose the only available option, output equal input, which is associated with its specific icon. Once the function of the input points has been chosen, these will move up to the beginning of the list and will turn gray, in order to indicate that they have been used. The icons associated with the type of the selected action will be shown. Press the equations icon and, if necessary, repeat the same procedure for other controls. At the end of the equations page, proceed to the programming of the module by clicking on the programming icon. The start and stop buttons will appear. Press start and wait for the completion of the operation, which will take a few seconds.